Imagine fanning yourself by hand or having a traditional fan during a hot, humid summer day. Everyone knows that doesn't help at all. But what if we had a wearable air conditioner? Metaura is a wearable smart air conditioner capable of producing genuine cool air, up to 7 degrees lower than the ambient temperature. Its unique built-in semiconductor chip efficiently converts hot temperatures to cool ones. Metaura keeps you cool by employing an innovative wraparound air outlet cooling system, providing a refreshing and immersive cooling experience from your neck through your entire body. Whether you're enjoying a picnic in the park, hiking over dry mountain trails, walking the dog at high noon, or camping during the hottest summer months, you no longer need to worry about the sweltering heat and humidity. Whether you're in need of a cool breeze for relief from the heat or a little gentle air to refresh yourself, Metaura intelligently detects your real-time body temperature to the ambient climate. Want to manually adjust your body temperature? Simply turn on the Bluetooth, connect Metaura, and you're ready to access seamless temperature adjustments right at your fingertips. Metaura's smart start-stop system helps to preserve energy and battery life, and the bladeless fan design keeps hair from tangling. 22-watt super-fast charging makes it easy to fully charge in the time it takes to enjoy a cup of coffee. And the large 6,000 milliamp hour battery provides up to 8 hours of battery life, from sunrise to sunset. Metaura is the revolutionary smart wearable air conditioner that provides truly cooling air for those scorching hot days, totally redefining traditional ways to beat the heat.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just hold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambition.
On a fast-paced job site, professionals require the best tools to stay competitive. Today, those tools no longer have to be stuck in the past. Introducing the T1 Tomahawk Digital Tape Measure by Recon Tools. The T1 is a revolution in measuring, making fast, accurate, and forget-free measurements. A live view OLED display shows measurements of the tape measure blade digitally in both English and metric units. An industry-first green laser line extension shows accurate alignment and capturing of any material geometry. With the click of a button, measurements are saved to a side-mounted, highly visible e-paper display. Requiring zero calculations, taking inside, center, and incremental measurements are never more than a button click away. The T1's Bluetooth connectivity, paired with the Recon Rock app, allows for unprecedented measuring and layout sharing across your crew. Durability is paramount for any measuring tool, and the T1 is no exception. With industry-leading blade robustness and impact protection ribs, the T1 Tomahawk is built for getting results. Recon digital measuring ecosystem allows for paperless measurement from capture to execution. Robust functionality and practical features makes the T1 Tomahawk the clear choice for pros, allowing you to finish your jobs faster and more accurately.
Fed up with the tangled cords of your cleaner? And worry about it may strip over your family? Introducing AIPER Seagull 3000, the most powerful wall-climbing smart cordless pool cleaner ever. The 7,800 mAh floating battery supports Seagull 3000 to clean for full 120 minutes, making it an ideal choice for different sizes of pools. With strong suction power, Seagull 3000 can easily clean up sturdy leaves and crushed stones. Featuring the smart app, you can customize pool cleaning plans that fit your pool. The triple-axis motors enable the cleaner to turn in every direction with ease, and you can control it to clean everywhere you want. The ultra-fine filtration system captures small debris and prevents them from flowing back to the pool. Seagull 3000 can clean drains and climb walls with ease. It also covers every inch of your waterline and saves you from scrubbing it by yourself. Seagull 3000 works well on almost all kinds of surfaces. Just put it into the water and forget about it. Seagull 3000 will bring you a sparkling clean pool in a movie's time. When it is in low battery, Seagull 3000 will automatically come back to the poolside. Its large filter baskets collect all debris. The easy-to-clean basket design is an extra booster of clean efficiency. We are AIPER, the leading brand of the pool cleaning industry for years, trusted by millions of users around the world. After tackling countless technical difficulties, we finally launched AIPER Seagull 3000, a smarter, more powerful pool cleaner.
Time. We all get a limited amount on this planet, and yet we spend 4,000 hours of our lives washing dishes. This is Capsule, a new way of doing things. Capsule is the result of 4 years of exhaustive research and development. We studied multiple cookware, tableware, and kitchens from small households and offices. From that, we determined a unique architecture that best adapts to any environment, takes minimal space, yet fits large items. We don't believe in storing dirty dishes for days. Capsule takes care of that in just 15 minutes. We call it meal wash, as in washing right after a meal and having a tidy kitchen, apartment, and office always. Capsule's form factor provides a tight space to wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly, improves water flow and airflow through each item, and makes it much easier to carry around. But we didn't stop there. We worked with academics to add medical-grade UV light disinfection for your phone, face masks, and more. Only a handful of products get to create a new product category: the personal music player, the personal computer. After Capsule, the dishwasher will never be the same ever again. Get back 4,000 hours of your life to go out there, to explore, to experience, to love, to make every minute